Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will compare USB and wireless connections for Flutter development on VS Code. Use USB 2, 0 or USB 3, 0 for stable Android connections. USB gives lower latency and higher throughput for device logs and asset transfers. Use wireless ADB over Wi-Fi for convenience with roughly 100 ms latency. Wireless removes cables when testing multiple devices and mirrors real network conditions. Hot reload works the same over both connections in VS Code. Choose USB for speed and wireless for mobility and convenience. First, prepare your devices and host machine for development and permissions. Enable USB debugging and developer options on Android devices. Connect the phone via USB to confirm drivers and a dB visibility with Flutter devices. Run a db connect 192, 168, 0, 10, 5555 to pair a device over Wi-Fi after enabling wireless debugging. For iOS, trust the Mac or PC prompt for iOS development using a Lightning cable and open Xcode once. Install the Flutter and Dart VS Code. Measure performance with a consistent workflow and avoid noisy variables across runs. Use USB when profiling CPU and memory to avoid network-induced noise and unstable traces. Close background apps and keep the device battery at least 50% to prevent throttling. Keep the phone awake using developer settings or passenger mode to prevent sleep during long tests. Use Flutter Run Profile or Release for accurate performance measurements and realistic app behavior. Document device model, OS version, and connection type for reproducible benchmarking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.